7 steps to create a virtual tour in 2025. Step 1. Get 360 panoramic images. You should use a 360 camera to capture panoramic images of all the spaces that you want to include in a virtual tour. Step 2. Choose a reliable virtual tour creator. If you have a WordPress site, then you could try WPVR, right now the #1 virtual tour creator in WordPress. It's really simple to use and you can easily upload your panoramic images and the tool will automatically turn it into 360 experiences. Step 3. Upload your panoramic images into the virtual tour creator and turn it into a 360-degree virtual tour. Step 4. Connect the different scenes of your virtual tour to make it into a realistic experience. In WPVR, you can easily use hotspots to let people move from one scene to another. Step 5. Make the virtual tour interactive using hotspots to give more information. Let people hover on certain objects to get additional data so that they can feel like this is a real tour, because they would ask you questions if they were there in person, right? Step 6. Include company information and an inquiry form within the virtual tour so that people can contact you. If they are interested, they would want to get in touch with you. And so you need to make it easy for them to reach out to you. And step 7, place it on your website where people can easily find it. Let them take the tour and start getting more inquiries.